Alright guys, so we're back.
Somebody needs to stand in the center and help me even it out, like equal distance.
So that's that's his job.
Yeah.
So Subi Hood here.
This line is straight, so we have to align it to this.
So pretty much what's happening now is we just got the banners from today at Rob ID, and pretty much Victor's gonna be the first one to do it. As you can see, it's the orange one.
Oh.
And we're just trying to figure out how to apply and how to center it. This is Victor right here.
Clean it yet? Do you guys have me clean the?
No, you gotta clean this.
Yo, we gotta clean this.
Please. Someone slap it up.
So thank God they didn't apply it yet. Kevin here.
Yo. No, chill.
Alright, let's get it started. Let's not get too confused.
Let's not get too confused.
Get your shit.
No, this one.
What is this?
Just a clean.
I know, but I need a towel now.
Oh, you need a towel?
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
you need to wipe it off. You gotta get the dust and shit. This is Victor. He drives his car. He wanted OJ, Mr. OJ. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Very good.
Luxury shit.
This is Heidi. Heidi pants. And then we got chicken shit Patrick right here. Then we got Le Stefan. Okay. And then we got this guy.
This guy, wow.
All the Subarus on the road. There's Stefan's. There's mine, Double X. And the STI, that's Heidi's. And Patrick's all the way there. And Kevin's right here. It's been like almost 3 minutes and we haven't started yet. Prep work.
See, that's good. I remind them.
Yes.
Okay, this is
It
for
will be
glass.
shit.
This towel is for
Maybe.
cleaning glass.
Alright, they're still wiping.
Don't twist.
Alright, we're back.
Heidi, you're gonna have to look, make sure that it's center.
That's heavy.
While I'm filming. So
Why is this pink? No.
it's orange.
Oh wait, up a bit more. Okay. Wait, I need light. Where? This is. I'm pretty aligned with him. Good.
I'll move over to Kevin's also.
Like Kevin's side.
Yeah.
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 Good. Is that good? Oh.
Is it flat on the top?
Good.
I think so, yeah. You guys want to have a look? And guys, Victor.
Oh, I
Victor, have a look. It's your car. I'm hold it.
Go
I
up
got
a
it.
bit. Go tilt
Like that?
up a bit.
Like that?
Yeah.
So we applying. There's no going back. There is, I think, there is a. This is the only one piece, right? We don't have an extra orange.
Unless he wants to go pink for a couple of days.
What happened to the E?
I can redo that one. That's okay. Shit, that's a big ass. Hold on, can I get the knife?
How do you feel right now, Victor?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
I don't want to say anything.
No, just say something. How do you feel right now about the banner?
It's nervous.
Nervous? Why is that?
I don't know. It's the first car.
First car?
Yeah.
First try?
Guinea pig.
No, Henry was.
I was the first one.
But with,
Oh, you guys
but
put
to
it
be
on?
fair, it's not orange.
Gloves so big.
Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah,
Only one.
Like Kevin always say, whatever that means. Oh, looking pretty good.
Looks so good.
Ubi.
Ooh,
Oh my god, that looks nice.
Uber hood.
Uber hood. Ubi hood.
Ubi hood.
It just says Subi right now, that looks so sick.
Looks so good.
好靚啊
Yes.
Fuck, yo.
Yes. Yes.
Look at his face.
Yes.
Oh, Mr. Happy. Good job, Stefan and Kevin. Subi Ho. Subi Ho.
Such a great idea.
Oh.
Subi.
Subi Ho.
Subi. Yeah, keep on.
Subi who?
Oh, see, that's why I want to be careful.
Subi who? Damn.
That looks so good. And the deep dig.
D for done. And there you have it. Subi Hood.
Shit, that looks sick.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, I like the placement of this. Because remember how yours is all the way to the top. This one is good. Got the pro. This one is good. Wow, this one is so fast and furious, man. This is so fast and furious. So fast. Yo, we're legit.
Done the first
Okay, then we
one
need to move it.
for Victor's. Now,
No,
which
I
one?
mean, he still needs to move.
I believe we're gonna do the next one. Who's gonna do the next one?
How about we just pull Heidi in here and then do
Yeah,
a
let's
quick
do my car first. Yeah, we'll do his.
Oh, let's do his.
There's a light right there.
Alright, let's go.
Spray bottle, please.
Go, 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 go.
What
Get
color?
it done. Oh, sorry, my bad. That's okay. I'll go for one.
Well, now it's time for Kevin's turn, Mr. Tiffany and Co.
What color you get? White. What? What? No
Because it's-
contrast.
I know, I wanted black, but no, it's a good contrast. No, there's contrast. Because right now his car's white, Tiffany blue, it'll stand out.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah, that's true.
It'll stand out a lot.
Alright, I'm gonna hold it like that.
This thing burning.
No.
Yeah, don't touch it directly, eh? No, I cleaned this out already.
Okay, like you right? It's okay here? The light?
Yeah, that's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, it's good. Everything's good. All right, they're starting. So the first part is prep it, clean the surface.
I like how Heidi just sits there. She's like, oh, yeah, I'm done. Since I'm one of
And Victor just over there minding his own business. He doesn't care anymore. This is done. Look at this guy. Zoom in his face. Zoom in his face. Look at his face.
When are we going to eat now? We're not gonna. I'm hungry already.
Really, he's too fat. He's thinking about food all the time.
tail of the heel.
No, we have to roll to a restaurant together. Like this.
Oh, I agree.
Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Like a squad.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Pull corner to corner.
See, that's why I love Victor. Always supporting our cause.
Yeah.
Real bro.
Okay.
Speedy run.
Could be Ubi Ho.
Okay, you take your time with all the other ones.
Let me hook it up.
Is it more?
I'm hooking it up now.
The device is ready to connect.
I'm pairing.
It's ready.
The device.
The S. Reveal. There's the B. Are all you, Kevin? Slowly.
So who got the red?
Thomas.
Oh, Thomas.
Well, there's an extra one for Patrick. There's an extra one they gave. Because they print two at once. H. Ho. Who? Hood. The hood. So Gundam.
Yeah.
There we have it.
It's actually really good.
Zubi
Actually
hood.
looks pretty good, right?
Looks good, yeah.
Better than black, man.
It's this one. Lovely.
I can run it on a heat gun and stuff. And once it's in the sun,
Damn.
So it should be okay. It looks good. Alright. Who's next? Yo.
Yo.
Soapy Hood banner.
This fucking princess and it's Tiffany everything. Princess. And then all these Subarus moving around my car. There's a hazard right here.
Come on, Pat. You know you want a banner.
I don't want red, I don't want white.
You don't want red, you don't want. I got pink.
Look at this woman. Who does she think she is?
Somebody saying Henry.
What? Yeah, it's only last bar. Look at this woman. Okay, it's your turn. How do you feel right now, Heidi Pants?
Excited. Stop calling me Heidi.
This is so funny.
Heidi Pants.
Yo, man.
You gotta turn on your flash, bro. You're draining your battery.
Oh, yeah.
You're welcome. Yeah.
I guess it's like that. Okay, then we just go do like this. Simplifies my job.
Alright, everyone.
My lot.
And we're
Alright,
back.
watch that shit.
So we're resuming Heidi's banner install right now.
Yeah, actually put a tin inside is easier.
So this girl's a lot of requests right now. So Heidi Pants is being demanding. Look at her. Look at this.
Wait, you see my ball?
做嘢，哎呀，
I don't see about it.
做嘢。
Oh, right here, right here, right.
Use mine. I'll use yours.
Things getting good. Steven?
And that's me.
Yeah. Alright, so
That actually looks pretty sick.
Your head a little. Yeah, right there.
What? What am I doing?
I don't know why you were there.
Alright, man. Here you go, good sir. Alright, take the band off.
Can I do a black and white?
Just do black and white.
black and white.
Yeah. Your car's the entire theme is black and white, so it will work. Yo, this actually looks sick. The clear background.
The pink matches so well.
Yeah.
Oh my
This
god.
actually, this one actually is gold.
Okay.
What?
I was like, you come on, Pat. It's like, move yours in. You
Later.
I'll look into it, but I can't. I don't have work next week, so I'll look into it.
See you guys. Bye. Bye to the vlog. Alright, so it looks like we're all bouncing, and this is where I'm going to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like down below, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.